Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Guys, it's really going down in the Mseleki household. Komseleku nje, things are just not going well for them. So Mr. Mseleku was invited to AMA Awards, and then he was honored with an award. I don't know what the award was for, but as we have all seen, guys, like when you are watching awards, people when they go to collect awards, they go with their partners, some their families or maybe their friends. You don't just go to the stage and say we won and take the award. But it was a different case for Mr. Mseleku Kesana. I guess the wives nje have just signed out or kwenzakalani, I really don't know. He was called there to take his award, and then knowing that he can't take all four of them because Usamge was not there. Knowing that he can't just take four people to the stage, he just decided to ask one of them, and then he asked Umakumalo, asking Umakumalo, "Uthi, can you please go with me to the stage to collect the award?" Hey, Sana, did you girl agree? She did not agree. She was just chilling there looking at him like, and then there sessions here when they were explaining to why they didn't agree to go with him to the stage is that now he got there with Umacele. Bonanje, they all came there with their own cars. They didn't come with him. The person that he wanted to come with, the person that he came with is Umacele. So he should be asking Umacele to go with him to the stage. Like the embarrassment when he was asking Makumalo and she didn't even stand up, she was just looking at him like in public, guys. Yes, I understand that they have issues at home, but they really embarrassed him, Shem. They really, really embarrassed him. And Umakele, I'm sure it's her earthly what? Earthly king. She was supposed to just go with him to the stage, Shem. I Guningi, like I feel like they were just there in jail to show face, but they didn't want to be there. Yes, now he is not perfect, Shem naye dala bagile, abantwana babantu ubagilile, but this time around I really felt sorry for him. Like even the public, yeah, manje, people there saw ukuthi no, things are not going well in this household, Mangwabe explained ukuthi yena she was going to go with him, but she saw everyone sitting down and not going with him to the stage. So naye, she just decided to just sit down. Like, yeah, ne? Or maybe but I really feel for him, like this was really too much. Even the people in the public can see ukuthi things are not going well in this family. And then people in the comment section were saying ukuthi, I Musamsele Kunje, you were supposed to take Usamge with you to the event. She was going to be there supporting you all the way and even go to the stage with you. So now I'm surprised because he knows Uguti, him and Umakumalo are not on good terms. Why is he asking Umakumalo to go with him to the stage? I really don't understand. Because the person that is always with him, supporting him, is Umacele. And then people were saying, no, he wanted to take Umakumalo to the stage because he wanted Makumalo's English. He is just using Makumalo. They are not on good terms. Why would he call her to the stage? And then people were like, I get if he wanted good English, he was also supposed to take Usamge with him. At least Usamge was going to be just there on the stage, talking and just interacting with people there. But anyway, guys, this is all I have for you today. Please do leave a comment in the comment section down below. What do you think of this, guys? Do you think it was okay for his wife to just embarrass him like that in public? Or maybe they should have just stayed at home, yeah? Or maybe they were there to show face, but I don't know, guys. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. I will see you on my next one.